So we've done some math and we want a 6-foot scarf. We're using worsted weight on an 8-dent rigid heddle reed, and we have 200 yards of yarn to use as warp. To start warping, we need our cricket loom on a table about 6 feet apart from our warping peg. Both should be clamped down to their tables and at even height. Take the rigid heddle reed and put it in the back neutral reed slot. Elastic it to the side and back apron bar so it doesn't move. Next, grab one end of your yarn and tie it double knotted to the back apron bar. Using the heddle hook, pull the yarn through the tall slots of the reed. Take the ensuing loop of yarn and wrap it around the warp peg. This is how you measure out your warp. Do this for as much as you want that color warp. In our sample, we want an even checkered pattern, so we'll pull through 8 times and change color after each 8. Simply cut and tie one color and tie on a new color. Double check your counts. Then, pull the yarn off the warping peg and snip it evenly. Tie it into a large granny knot. Undo the elastic from your back apron bar. Using the side handle, wind the back apron bar down towards the bottom warp beam. Put in a 6-foot piece of paper around the warp beam as you wind the warp around it. Keep an even tension on the rest of the warp in your hand as you wind. Once it is wrapped, you should have about 8 inches of warp in front of the heddle. Undo your granny knot and cut the yarn ends even. Using your heddle hook again, pull on the first 2 strands and pull the top strand through the top right hole. Always choose the same side consistently. Check that they're all on the same side. Pull the front apron bar over top and towards the heddle. Take your ends and section them in half and then in thirds for 6 sections total. Take your first section and tie it to the front apron bar with a surgeon's knot. Split it in 2. Go over the bar and tie the ends on top like tying shoes, but go around twice. If your tension is uneven, pull the ends of the knot up and slide back down to tighten. Your cricket loom is warped and ready.